Woodworking is more than building, it's the art of turning raw materials into timeless creations. In our first scene, we focus on a challenge that demands both skill and patience, applying veneer to a curved four-petal window frame. The craftsman carefully shapes each piece, ensuring the curves match perfectly, and every joint blends seamlessly. This isn't just decoration, it's a precision process where even a millimeter can make the difference between perfection and waste. Next, we move to a demonstration of pure mastery, what some would call ceiling-level craftsmanship. Watch as the artisan works through complex measurements and angles, executing perfect cuts with speed and accuracy. Every movement is calculated, every adjustment intentional, reflecting years of experience and a deep understanding of the material. Both projects share the same foundation: patience, attention to detail, and an unwavering commitment to quality. From intricate window frames to advanced joinery, these techniques show why true craftsmanship never goes out of style. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast or simply appreciate skilled hands at work, these scenes will leave you inspired by the dedication it takes to reach this level.